Hello everybody, welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have a Daewoo Lynx 200LC. This machine is loaded. It comes equipped with a Fanuc 21IT series control, a 12-station automatic turret, an 8-inch Kitagawa hydraulic chuck, A26 gearhead spindle, ToolPresetter, hydraulic tailstock and Quill, Coolant System, Barfeed Interface, a turbo chip conveyor. As always, I'm going to list more specs in the description below so we can take a look at the machine. Well, there you have it, the Daewoo Lynx Puma 200LC. If you have any questions about the machine, go ahead and call us at 909-919-9600 or jump over to our website. It's www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. We'll catch you next time.